Hello everyone and welcome back to the session. So children, you all remember in the last session we had learnt one story? Yes. Today we are going to start with our texture exercises. But before that, let us recall the story.
Okay, children, here is a beautiful video which describes the whole story. So please watch this video carefully. Okay, children, now you'll remember once upon a time a tiger was caught in a trap. He clawed and scratched and chewed at the bars of his cage, but he could not escape. A holy man happened to pass by. So now what did the tiger do? The tiger tricks a kind holy man and pleads for his release, promising not to eat the holy man. The holy man was very kind in nature, so he set the tiger free, but no sooner is the tiger out of the cage then he says he's going to eat the holy man, going back on his promise. The holy man was scared and horrified and tells the tiger, "How unjust you are!" The holy man pleaded for his life. So now they agreed to ask the first three people if they say that I am not being fair to you, said the tiger, I will not eat you and will let you go. The holy man said, okay. So the first one was people tree. The holy man asked the people tree whether the tiger is doing right or not. The people tree, having suffered at the hands of the humans who tear down the branches to feed their cattle, answers that the tiger should eat the Brahmin. The holy man was disappointed. So the holy man went further and saw a buffalo turning a wheel that drew water from a well. When the holy man asked the buffalo if the tiger was being unkind and unfair to him, the buffalo replied the holy man that you are a fool to expect the tiger to thank you. When I gave milk, people fed me the finest seeds and oil cakes, and now when I am old, they have tied me up here and they give me only dry grass. The holy man felt sad and then asked the road about his situation. The road also replied the same, telling the holy man that how foolish you are to expect anything else. The road says, I am useful to everyone, yet all rich and poor, great and small, walk on me as they go past. So in this way, the people tree, the buffalo and the road did not help the holy man because they feel that the tiger was being right to the man. They believe that they too had been treated badly by others whom they had been kind to. So the holy man turned back sorrowfully, and on his way he met a jackal. The jackal was feeling bad to the holy man's plight at first. The holy man explained the whole story over again. The jackal was trying to pretend as if he could not understand. So jackal told him to see the trap. So the holy man took the jackal to the trap where the tiger was waiting in anger and he was very hungry. The holy man pleaded that give me 5 minutes, I'll explain the jackal the whole story. So the holy man was trying to explain the jackal, but the jackal was pretending as if he could not understand anything. And he told the tiger to explain how did he got in the trap. So the tiger was getting angry, but still the jackal pleaded the tiger, and now the tiger was ready to explain. So the tiger explained and demonstrated that how he got in the trap. And as soon as he went inside the cage, the jackal locked him. So in this way, the jackal helped the holy man by pretending to be foolish. The jackal did this so that he could get the tiger to walk back into the cage, and he could shut the door. He used his cleverness to help the holy man. In this way, jackal saved the holy man. Okay, children, let us first discuss about the solution for the activity given in the last session. Okay, find out about the eating habits of the tiger. Tigers eat a variety of prey ranging in size from termites to elephant calves. However, an integral component of their diet are large-bodied prey weighing about 20 kg. Tigers may consume up to 40 kg of meat at one time. Okay, children, let us start with question and answers. Okay, first question. Where was the tiger? Whom did he ask for help? Okay, the tiger was locked in a cage. He asked a holy man for help. Okay, next question. What happened when the holy man let the tiger out of the cage? Okay, the tiger pounced on the holy man the moment he was let out of the cage. Okay, next question. What did the peepal tree say when the holy man told him about his problem? The peepal tree told the holy man not to cry because people return its kindness by tearing down its branches and feeding them to their cattle, yet it stands tall and remains silent without complaining. Okay, next question. What was the buffalo's response to the holy man's question? The buffalo called the holy man a fool for expecting the tiger not to eat him up. Okay, next question. How did the road feel about the holy man's situation? Do you think he was right in feeling so? Okay, the road felt that even its kindness was unfairly returned by all who only walked on it. It was right in feeling so because people did not maintain the road properly. Read these sentences, identify the speaker and why he said. Okay, children, some sentences are given and you all have to identify the speaker and give reasons why he said. Okay, first one. No, you might eat me if I did. Okay, this line was spoken by the holy man when the tiger asked him out of the cage. Okay, next sentence. What a fool you are. What is to stop me from eating you now? The tiger said this line after he was released from the cage by the holy man. Okay, next sentence. My dear sir, how foolish you are to expect anything else. The road said this to the holy man after the man asked him whether the tiger was being fair to him. Okay, next sentence. Don't cry. The peepal tree said this to the holy man after it told him how people too were unfair to it. Okay, next sentence. You are a fool to expect the tiger to thank you. The buffalo said this to the holy man because he asked the buffalo if the tiger was being unkind and unfair to him. Okay, next sentence. Oh, my poor brain. The jackal said this to the holy man because he was confused with the holy man's account of what had happened. Okay, look at the words in the table. Circle the odd word in each row. Give reasons for your answer. Okay, first one. Aunt, uncle, father, family. Okay, in this, family is the odd one because the other words are nouns for people related to us. Okay, next. Worm, parrot, eagle, pigeon. Okay, in this, worm because the others are kinds of birds. Okay, next. Stream, island, river, sea. In this, island because the other words are types of water bodies. Okay, next. Python, crocodile, tiger, lizard. Okay, in this, tiger is the odd one because the others are reptiles. Okay, next. Lion, joey, cub, puppy. Okay, in this, lion is the odd one because the other words are for baby animals. Okay, next. Jungle, forest, meadow, woods. Okay, in this, meadow is the odd one because it is not a forested area. Okay, children, now it's time for activity. Circle the odd one out in each row and give reasons for your answer. Okay, first one, cat, dog, fox, rabbit. Second, spoon, sword, knife, fork. Third, fish, snake, crocodile, whale. I'm sure children you all will enjoy this activity very much, and I hope you all have understood each and everything. So children, we end our session over here. Thank you.